This one got hit right in the side. I have a Toyota RAV4 here. This one got hit right in the side. It's getting 2 new doors, and then it destroyed this B-pillar rocker section. You can see how this is almost folded over itself. That's all pushed in. Then this is all crushed throughout here. So it's gonna get a new B-pillar rocker section, which I have right here. This is how Toyota sells the part. It comes just like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and dive into this one, get it cut apart. I have some procedures here on where they want that sectioned in at. So I'm gonna go ahead and mark this real quick. I gotta go to the center of this little notch here, 240 millimeters. So that's just barely short of the damage here, but that's not gonna matter. I'll work that out once I get it cut off. Then the other 2 joints, they want at the length that the part comes. Why they have this one shorter than the way the part comes, I have no idea. But that's the way I'm gonna put it in. So if you're ever wondering what I'm doing whenever I grind around the perimeter of these panels, there's spot welds going all the way around. And I'm using this just to grind through the first layer of the panel because it's going to be trashed anyway. You don't want to grind too deep, so you just cut through the first layer, and that's how you release the panels apart. Now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna sit this B-pillar section on here, and it's gonna overlap the last portion of the car. And now I'm gonna go through and I'm gonna scribe. All 3 of the section joints. Then I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna trim these last sections out, and that'll give me a perfect joint at each seam. So I have both of these doors all fit up. My gaps look good. This one, this quarter panel has damage here as well, which I'm gonna have to put a tab on here and pull that out. But I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna do that later. I'm going to go ahead and lift these doors back off and get that B-pillar section all welded on. I got this B-pillar all finished up. My welds are all dressed, so it's ready for a coat of filler on each of the seams. However, first I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna repair this quarter panel dog leg area, and I'm gonna weld a tab right on the edge here and bring that out, and then I'll have to put the rear door on to make sure it lines up properly. So this is still pushed in a little bit right above that tab. So I'm gonna put one more on there and bring that out just a little more. I got this quarter panel all pulled out where it's nice and flush with the rear door now. So this one is ready for some fill work. So I'm going to send it over to Eric to do all the fill work on the seams and the quarter panel. And I'm gonna dive into my next one.